The Talent Show. Realistic Fiction. I can't sing in the talent show without you, Sundara said. I can't even sing with you, her brother Vijay replied. I am so bashful, I would probably melt right on the stage. That's a silly remark, Sundara said. You sing really well. I'm shy. Give me a break. Sundara did not give in. Please, 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 she begged. You know this talent show benefits the food bank? Okay, I'll consider it, Vijay said. Don't get your hopes up, though. Sundara kept trying. But we could win. You have a terrific voice, she said. Vijay said, You know I don't like to compete with other people. That's fine, Sundara said. Just rehearse with me then. For the next hour, Sundara and Vijay practiced together while their father played the piano. Finally, Vijay agreed to sing with his sister. The morning of the talent show, Vijay was very nervous. Then at breakfast, everything changed. Good morning, Sundara said in a low moan. What's wrong? Vijay asked. Then Sundara sneezed. Achoo! Get away, Vijay said. He shielded his face almost as a reflex. Sundara couldn't speak. She wrote a short note on a pad of paper and showed it to him. My throat's sore. I can't talk. Vijay was suddenly happy. Too bad, he said. No duet tonight. Sundara started scribbling and then thrust another note at him. Don't think for a brief moment that you aren't singing. Vijay started to protest. Sundara grabbed the pad again. She wrote, Stop it. You have the ability. Now just do it for the food bank. Vijay suddenly felt selfish. Of course, he had to sing. It was the right thing to do. That day, he kept busy to avoid thinking about the show. He practiced the song with his dad first. Then he rode his bike, washed the car, and did some homework. A few hours later, he was on stage. It was his turn to sing. Before Vijay knew it, the song had ended. As he walked backstage, his mom hugged him and said, Your song was delightful. Miss Spencer, the show's host, now took the stage. She had two announcements. First, the students had raised over $1,000 for the food bank. Second, the judges had made their decision. Miss Spencer announced the third place and second place winners. Vijay was relieved that his name wasn't called. Next, Miss Spencer said, It's time to announce the first place winner. She paused and said, Let's have Vijay Rana come to the stage. Miss Spencer handed him a trophy and then asked him to say a word or two. Vijay said, Thank you so much. This is a great honor. I want to dedicate this trophy to my sister. After all, I wouldn't be here if it weren't for her.